Okay, sengibuyela nganoma ngizongizwa yini ngoba la ngikhona kunomsindo and awupheli lo msindo lo. Kunama-3 phases of investigation. U-Team 5-ke njalo lo khuluma ngama-phases. Okay, lana ngizokhuluma ngama-phases awu-3. Ngizowachaza nje ngendlela engiwa-understand-e ngawo nengikhone ngawo ukuthi ngiwafunde angene ekhanda, yabo. So-ke lama-phases kuthiwa there are 3 common phases of investigation. Each investigation phase has its own goal and objectives. Alright-ke. Njengoba sishilo ukuthi lama-phases awu-3. Khona i-preliminary investigation phase, kube the further investigation phase, mase kube khona i-judicial investigation phase. Okay, ngizoqala ngicaciseke lana-ke kwengikutholile. I-preliminary investigation phase kulapho khona ile phase le yokuqala kusuke kufike khona amaphoyisa kwi-crime scene ezobheka ukuthi kwenzakaleni and isimo sikanjani. Lezo zinto nje iyona phase yokuqala-ke lapho la kusuke kufika khona amaphoyisa or responders efika kwilontuzana kwi-crime scene ezobheka ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Mase kube i-further investigation phase, ila khona isuke ilontuzane sekukhona ila kusekhona i-case isirejistiwe yaba successful. Kwakhombisa ukuthi i-case ikhona, yabo. Angithi bekade kwilontuzane kwi-preliminary bekade kufika amaphoyisa kwi-scene abona ukuthi lento eyenzekile and kumele kuvulwe icala. Okay-ke, ekuvuleni kwecala-ke mase selivuliwe-ke icala kuzobe sekutake over i-further investigation phase. Lapho kusekukhona o-detective-ke lapho-ke ibona abasuke or ama-investigators, iwona asuke se-investigate ukuthi kube lelo ntuzane lecala leli lenzekile ngempela yini, and kumele a-collecte ama-evidence ukuthi lenzeke kanjani, lenzeke kuphi kanjani, yabo. Kube khona ubufakazi obuqoqekayo ukuthi ngempela lenzekelile yini. Leyo phase eyani i-further investigation phase. Mase kube khona okay, mase sedlule lapho, mase sedlulisele enkantolo-ke icala sekuthiwa seliyothethwa-ke enkantolo, ilapho-ke kuqhamuka khona i-judicial investigation phase. Sekuyi-judicial investigation phase-ke esuke isiyenzeka lapho. Alright-ke, soqala kwi-preliminary investigation phase. The preliminary investigation phase. Ithi-ke yona-ke, the preliminary investigation phase revolves largely around the crime scene. The first responder has the responsibility to protect and secure the crime scene. The responsibility of the first responder includes, okay, ilontuzane first responder or kahle kahle iphoyisa nje elifikayo lapha kwi-crime scene, ilona elibalulekile ngale ndlela ngoba li-protector futhi li-secure ilontuzane i-crime scene, ukuthi ilontuzane ubufakazi obusuke bukhona bungademejeki or kungalahleki. First responder-ke leyo-ke. Okay, sesizosho-ke ama-responsibility of first responder, yabo. Nje lokhu engikuhighlight-ile la ilokhu okuhighlight-iwe nalapha kuma-slides emanothini beni, athi nizobona-ke kahle-ke. Okay, the responsibility of first responder include lo muntu wokuqala, iphoyisa lokuqala elifikayo lapha kwi-crime scene. The first thing kumele yenze cordon of crime scene, shuthi-ke ukuthi avale i-crime scene, like ayenze ngama-salute noma ngithi ama-tape lawo ukuthi ayivikele ukuthi abantu bangangeni phakathi ukuze ubufakazi bungeke buze bulahleke kanjalo, into ezikanjalo. Okay, ngokuthi ngifile ngifunde nje bakunje. calling off the crime scene. Number 1 ke loyo. Doing threat analysis. Tesibili ekumele ayenze leyo. Doing threat analysis. Establishing what incident has occurred. Kumele alontuze azi ukuthi kahle kahle eyiphi i-incident eyenzekile ukuze yabo abhale lapha. Kumele identifying and securing all information sources. Kumele alontuze, angithi vele kuzobe kunama-witness hlampe lapho ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Kumele azochaza ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Kumele alontuze hlampe afune i-video footage kanjalo kanjalo. Identifying, okay, ngazuthi right. Identifying and securing suspects. Identifying and safeguarding physical evidence. Okay, ayaqhubeka-ke guys, ngizozifundela-ke lawo. Izona-ke izinto lezi ekumele zenziwe umuntu oyi-first responder. Izona into ekumele azenze le kwisini. Okay-ke simuve siye kuma-factors. Factors that may affect the investigation of the crime scene include ama-factors anga-affecta ilontuzane i-investigation kwi-crime scene. Into yokuqala nje, i-weather and light condition. I-weather hlampe ukuthi kuyanetha, hlampe kuqeda kwenzeka leyo scene, mase kuyanetha izo-affecteka ama-evidence lapho, ngoba uma sekunetha hlampe igazi liyawasheka nezinye izinto ziyasuka. Okay, victims, suspects, legal practitioners. Mase kuba i-media ingayi-affecta, yabona-ke i-media ingayi-affecta ilona i-crime scene, ingayi-affecta. Abantu hlampe belokhu be-media, omunye uzokhuluma okunye eqamba amanga, omunye uzoqamba amanga. Bazoje bengazi ukuthi kahle kahle okuphi okuyikona yabo, okuphi okumele bakukholwe. Kungayi-affecta leyo nto. Mase kube khona ama-bystanders and police officials. Alright. Okay, ngicathi senibonile-ke la factors that may affect the investigation of crime scenes include, ikona-ke loku ngikuphinda kaningi, the reason why ngikuphinda kaningi ingoba ngenzela ukuthi umuntu hlampe obengafundeki noma ongafundanga kahle hlampe akhona